Y'all, welcome back to Budget Rebuilds. We are back on our 03 anniversary Electra Glide again, and found out why it wasn't starting. Anyway, when it rolled over and it bent the bars, it cut all these wires. So I stole the extensions off of this and used my spare switch I had, and we got all those wires ran in the new bars. A couple things we found out too. One of our viewers actually used to own this. He wrecked it. He did not get hurt. He emailed us and said that he didn't get hurt. Obviously the bike's totaled, so that's a good thing. And also we found a sticker on here just a minute ago. This is the second time this bike's been totaled because it has a rebuilt inspection sticker on the front. But he emailed us and told us that it's got a 98-inch, they just built it in July, but a 98-inch motor. It's got S&S jugs. The heads were sent off to zippers and had head work done, and it's got cams and everything else, which is awesome. So good news on that. Today we want to get a bunch of stuff done. I want to go ahead and get the old fender and the new saddlebag support bars and everything mocked up on here. That fender's rough, but all it is a support for our fender overlay, so I kind of like beat it back into place to get it straight. I hope it'll bolt back up and be semi-straight. We'll find out here in just a minute. And also we got a dented fork can. I'm going to go ahead and get that off, get this beat up front fender off, and also get our new bars and interfering mounted on there today, because that's all the stuff that we have parts for. So let's go ahead and get started. And also, like we always do, I'm going to go ahead and start by putting our lowering kit on there. It's just a cheap way to make them look good. I guess we'll go ahead and try to get our fender on here. And that fender was rough. I had to beat the hell out of it to get it straight enough to go back on there. And it may still not work, but it's worth a shot. Maybe a little bit tight over there. You know what? I know what I did.
What?
That's supposed to be right there.
And
it moves the fender forward an inch. That's what I did. Okay.
Minor.
Minor. Not a big deal. Support brackets back here too, so they were tweaked just a little bit, but I think they'll all go back together straight. If not, I'll buy new ones. We got plenty of room over there, but it's touching up here. Eh, alright. Ain't that bad. Maybe by the time we tighten it up, it'll move it all over. Well, we'll come back and get longer, shorter bolts for this, but I guess we can go ahead and stick a fender overlay on it right now. See what it looks like. That joker's on there, buddy. Good God. And they did not want the front wheel falling off. Oh, I'm tightening it up. Oops. It's pretty snug too. Go ahead and take off one of our calipers over here so we get the front wheel off. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this caliper off too, just to try to make it easier getting this wheel out, because the fender's just mangled. Oh, dude, all of these fender bolts are loose. Like this, look, this one fell out. I didn't even have a fender bolt in there. It's off. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get our fork can off before we put our handlebars and everything else on. So we'll go ahead and take our fork cap loose and drop it out. Swap this dude out real quick.
With razors in
Go ahead and put our fork tube back in there. And then we can start on our handlebars. We got our new handlebars here. We've already pre-wired and everything. And we'll go ahead and drop them on. Even right there. And we got our new inner fairing here. I had to get new speedometer and tachometer. Everything else I pretty much had just laying around. So we're about out of stuff to do on this one. I already have a stereo for it and windshield and stuff like that. I'll go ahead and get the fender off, get it to paint, the new tank, and everything else. So hopefully the next one we can go ahead and finish this thing up. But a little update on our 124 build. I don't know if I said it or not, but turns out our 124 is actually originally a 117. The burnt bike had a 124. So when I put my 124 crank and the 117 motor with the new cylinders we had, the piston comes out of the top of the cylinder about 1/4 of an inch. I had no idea there's a difference between 117 and 124 jugs. So anyway, another expense. I ordered brand new S&S full polished cylinders that just got here and there at the machine shop getting finished up, so we can finish putting the motor together, get it put in this, and then we can do another video on the burnt bike. So anyway, thanks for sticking with us on both the builds right now. I know it's dragging out, taking forever. Anytime you do something from scratch, all this stuff just comes up that you weren't expecting. Anyway, we appreciate y'all watching our videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you very much.